Hello lovelies, you're all welcome back to my channel. Today lovelies, we are making delicious, easy oven baked tilapia fish. This is so simple, direct, but perfect. Yes, let me use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all you my subscribers. Thank you so much for loving my videos. Thanks for sharing them. Thanks for your honest comments. Welcome to all our newcomers. Please remember to subscribe, leave a like if you like this video. Thank you so much. Lovelies, we will be baking a whole pack of tilapia fish today. All I need to do first of all is to open them all one by one and clean them. If you want to see how I clean my fish, I'm going to leave the link in the comment section and you can watch that later. I'm going to open the fish, they will get gutted, and I will remove all the fins and control the scales, remove all the remaining ones, and they have to be really well washed. So let me show you what we'll be using for baking it. Lovelies, what you can see here are the herbs we'll be using today. I have Basil, thyme. I always buy them fresh and I'll put them in the freezer. That's where I took some of it. I have garlic there, garlic cloves. I have onions and I have chives there. You can see. I'll pour everything now into the blender I'll be using. So let's add the rest of the herbs and seasoning. What I have here are seasoning mixtures, just like adobo, yes. And what I have at the other side, you can see here, oregano. I have chili there, that is Persley. I have dill there, and I have 1 cube of seasoning. I'm going to pour everything together in the blender. It's now time to add water or olive oil. I'll be using water because I don't want to use much oil in this recipe. Okay, feel free to use olive oil to mix this herbs together. Yes, that's the herbs and seasoning. Look at it. After pouring it into another bowl, I'm going to add chili for that heat vibe. After that, I'll be adding salt and I'll be adding a little bit of olive oil. Like I've said, I do not want to use much oil in this. That's why I did not blend it all with olive oil. All right, so now I gave it a good mix. Mix it well, they will all mix together. Okay, after that, it's time to move to our fish. You can see they're all well washed. It's now time to give them this cut on it to create marks on the fish. You can give it up to 3-4 marks on each side of it. All right, and it's now time to dry it very well. Get your kitchen towel, your kitchen paper, or what is it called, and dry it thoroughly. Have you subscribed? Have you left a comment? Have you liked the video? Please don't forget to do that. Thank you. I appreciate you all. After drying it well, it's now time to get the super aromatic marinade we've just created together. It's time to coat all the tilapia fish with this super marinade. You can persevere the aroma already, but don't forget, you need to feel all those marks we created on the fish. They have to enter into it very well to get the maximum result. When the right side is thoroughly done, I flipped it over and I repeated the same process. So you can see I've marinated the whole fishes and they are now ready. If you don't have much time, you can go ahead and bake like I'm going to do. If you have time, you can just marinate it for about 30 minutes. Keep it in a cool place and then get your oven tray and then you arrange them on it. You can also use your kitchen rack as well. Cream it a bit with some olive oil and lemon juice and then arrange your fish on it and put it in oven for about 16 to 20 minutes. Lovely. This is what you're going to have. This is super yummy. You can see how it looks. The one on the trays, they have the juice in it, and the one on the rack is going to drain the juice, but still you're gonna have the inside very juicy. I love both. All right, I love both. Allow it to cool down a bit. This is what I have. Everyone enjoy this. Give this a try. It is very simple. You can make your stew with this. You can serve your jollof rice direct with this. You are going to love it. Came super delicious. Thank you so much for watching.